Using active voice and strong verbs. The power of language. Welcome to Lesson 8.2. Vigorous writing is concise, direct, and dynamic. The strategic use of active voice and strong verbs injects this energy into your proposals, ensuring your message resonates powerfully with the evaluation team. It's not just a stylistic preference, it's a principle of effective communication. The power of active voice, clarity and accountability. Active voice makes sentences more direct, dynamic, and easier to understand. For instance, instead of saying, "The proposal was submitted by our team," you can use active voice to say, "Our team submitted the proposal." This immediately clarifies who is doing the action and emphasizes your team's proactive role and sense of ownership. Active voice also leads to more concise phrasing, which is crucial for efficiency in proposal writing. The impact of strong verbs, dynamism, and engagement. The impact of strong verbs, dynamism, and engagement focuses on the importance of choosing impactful words. Strong verbs are vivid, precise action words that inject energy and dynamism into your writing. They make your writing more engaging, impactful, and concise by eliminating the need for weaker verbs and adverbs. First, let's look at dynamism and energy. A strong verb can make your writing more energetic and hold the reader's attention. On the slide, you can see a weak example. The solution will provide a reduction in costs. This is a common phrase, but it's a bit passive. The strong version, "the solution will reduce costs," is much more direct and powerful. It immediately conveys the action and its benefit. Next is precision and clarity. Strong verbs often convey a more precise meaning than weaker verbs, reducing ambiguity. The example here is a good illustration. "The team had a discussion about the project timeline," is a general statement. But the strong version, "the team debated the project timeline," tells us much more. It implies that there was a back and forth, a structured argument, which adds a layer of precision to the sentence. Finally, let's discuss conciseness. Using strong verbs can eliminate the need for unnecessary words, leading to more impactful sentences. Look at the examples on the slide. The weak sentence, "The system operated in an efficient manner," is clunky. The strong version, "The system operated efficiently," is better. But the even stronger version, "The system optimized performance," is the most concise and powerful of all. It uses a single verb to convey a complex idea, which is the ultimate goal of concise writing. Strategic application in bid proposals. The deliberate use of active voice and strong verbs in a proposal can significantly enhance persuasiveness and clarity. Demonstrating proactivity and ownership is about building confidence in your team. By using active voice, you emphasize your team's proactive role. Look at the example. "The tasks will be managed by our experienced project managers." That sounds a bit passive, almost as if the tasks are just going to happen on their own. The revised version, "Our experienced project managers will manage the tasks," is much more direct. It clearly states who is responsible and conveys a sense of ownership and control, which is exactly what a client wants to see in a proposal. Highlighting capabilities and achievements. Active voice and strong verbs make your accomplishments more impactful. The instead of example, "Significant improvements were achieved by our team," is vague and downplays the accomplishment. The use example, "Our team achieved significant improvements," directly links your team to the successful action. This language makes your accomplishments more memorable and powerful in the mind of the evaluator. Finally, we have articulating benefits and value. When you present the benefits of your solution, strong verbs make the value proposition more compelling and direct. The instead of example, "The new system will result in an increase in efficiency," is a bit weak and indirect. The use example, "The new system will increase efficiency," is much stronger. It uses a single, powerful verb to clearly communicate the benefit, leaving no doubt about the positive impact your solution will have on the client. Key takeaways. Wielding language for winning bids. The strategic and consistent application of active voice and strong verbs is a powerful tool in your arsenal. By embracing directness, emphasizing action, and choosing impactful language, you can craft proposals that are clear, concise, persuasive, and ultimately more successful in capturing the client's attention and securing the win. Mastering these principles is about wielding the power of language to effectively communicate value.